Welcome back, home enthusiasts. We're TrustedShoppingGuide.com, and today we are in the home. In this video, two smart lock brands will be going head-to-head. We have the Yale Assure Lock SL and the Schlage Encode Smart Wi-Fi Deadbolt. Suddenly remembering that you haven't locked your front door while you're away can be a dreadful experience. But with smart locks, this will be a thing of the past. These handy locks are able to provide a measure of security that you'll never be able to find with a traditional door lock. Not only can you set your door to lock automatically when you leave, but you can also lock it from miles away. Since your home deserves only the best security system the market has to offer, we'll be having two of our best smart locks battle it out in today's brand wars. For this episode, we have the Yale Assure Lock SL going against the Schlage Encode Smart Wi-Fi Deadbolt. Both these smart locks have garnered a 5-badge rating from our team at TrustedShoppingGuide.com. There's nothing a home needs more than an excellent security system, so be sure to watch until the end to decide which lock proves to be the best for you. If you're interested in the other smart locks that we reviewed, do check out our smart lock review video link below. If you want direct links to the products themselves, all these links are also listed below too. So without further ado, let's start the brand wars. The first category that these smart locks will be going toe-to-toe with is their lock standard rating. Not all door lock systems are built equal. The American National Standards Institute and Builders Hardware Manufacturers Association have established 3 standard lock qualities that protect against picking, lock bumping, or other physical means of unauthorized entry, Grade 1 being the most secure and Grade 3 being the least. Yale has a Grade 2 lock standard rating. This means that it's a high residential or low commercial grade lock designed to offer superior security and durability for homes and light commercial use. Meanwhile, Schlage is Grade 1 certified, meaning that it's designed specifically for high traffic and superior security. Being the strongest grade, it can be used for residential applications, but it's predominantly found in commercial and industrial applications. This is pretty much a straightforward round. With Schlage's Grade 1 certification, it definitely deserves the point in this category. The second category that these two brands will be going toe-to-toe with is their voice command feature. Voice command is a good feature to have in a smart lock. Although it isn't the most important function, it's pretty convenient just in case you've got your hands tied and you forgot to close the door. Yale allows you to lock, unlock, and check its lock status via voice assistants such as Alexa, Hey Google, and Siri. Schlage, on the other hand, can be paired with Alexa or Google Assistant to control your lock using voice commands. You can ask if the door is locked or ask it to lock the door for your ultimate peace of mind. In this category, these two smart locks are virtually identical, which is why it would only be fair to end this round in a tie. The third category that these two brands will be going toe-to-toe with is their remote access. A smart lock with remote access allows you to control your door's locking function even while you're away from home. This also allows you to unlock your door just in case you need to let people in when you're not home. Yale allows away from home control using the August application. You can lock, unlock, and share access with people you trust, as well as receive real-time notifications from anywhere on your smartphone, tablet, or Apple Watch. You also have the option to create permanent, scheduled, or temporary codes for the people you trust. Meanwhile, Schlage allows you to use the Schlage Home application on your smartphone to unlock or lock your door from anywhere without the need for any additional accessory or hub. You can also specify who has access and during what specific time period by setting up to 100 permanent, recurring, or temporary lock codes that you can change on your command. You can also send virtual keys to the people you trust via email or text. Both locks offer vertically identical features in this round. With that, we'll be giving these two locks a point each. The fourth category that these two brands will be going toe-to-toe with is their battery life. Smart locks are powered by batteries, which is why it's important to consider the estimated battery life before your purchase. It's also important to see if the smart lock you're planning to get has a battery level indicator. Yale is powered by 4 AA batteries and also has a backup battery option in case your battery dies out. On average, the lock has a 12-month battery life. Alexa can also provide you with notifications just in case your battery runs low so that you'll be able to replace them in time. Its competitor, Schlage, is also powered by 4 AA batteries, which you'll need to replace every 6 months. Alexa will also notify you when your battery runs low and will allow you to set up smart orders through Amazon Dash to replenish your battery. With Yale doubling the battery lifespan of its competitor, they take home the gold in this category. The fifth category that these two brands will be going toe-to-toe with is their alarm system. Before your purchase, consider taking a good look at the security alert features, such as if it detects the lock being tampered with or when the door is left open. There are some models that feature an ultra-sensitive mode after the first alarm goes off due to tampering, which allows them to detect a returning intruder. Yale allows you to link the lock to your Ring alarm so that you can lock and arm the alarm. On the flip side, Schlage features a built-in alarm that is capable of sensing potential security breaches at the lock. Schlage comes in strong at this round due to its built-in alarm system, which its competitor lacks. The facts are straight, and Schlage comes home as the victor in this round. The sixth and final category that these two brands will be going toe-to-toe with is their ease of installation. You wouldn't want to spend too much time trying to install the smart lock. On top of that, hiring a professional can be too much of a hassle since this demands extra time and money. That is why we recommend purchasing a lock that you can install on your own with ease. Yale offers quick and easy installation with just a screwdriver. The smart lock is a guaranteed fit for standard entry doors. Meanwhile, Schlage is easy to install with just a screwdriver. With its unique snap and stay technology, it snaps the deadbolt into the door so both your hands are free during the installation process. Both these smart locks are relatively easy to install, but Schlage has the edge in this category due to its snap and stay technology. With this unique feature, Schlage snatches the point in this category. This battle has finally come to an end. The scores have been settled and Schlage was able to accumulate a total of 5 points. Yale, however, was 2 points short of its competitor, only scoring a total of 3 points. While Yale had the advantage in terms of battery life, Schlage was able to dominate most of the rounds due to its superior lock standard rating, alarm system, and quick installation process. That being said, Schlage takes home the championship belt in today's brand wars. And there you have it, folks. The battle between the Yale Assure Lock SL and the Schlage Encode Smart Wi-Fi Deadbolt has finally ended. If you have any contenders for our next smart lock face-off, which you would like our team to test, do drop it in the comment section below and we'll be sure to assess them for our next update. If you like this video and it helps you in any way, please do give it a like and hit the subscribe button so that you can stay connected and updated with all of our research into everything that makes our homes great. We look forward to seeing you at the TrustedShoppingGuide.com again soon.